Today, we're talking about one of the simplest ways to make healthy eating easier. Instead of focusing on complicated diets, calorie counting, or expensive health foods, we're looking at a pattern inspired by the world's longest-living communities, often called the Blue Zones. These are places where reaching 90 or even 100 years old is far more common than in many other parts of the world. Now, it's important to understand that people in Blue Zones don't all eat the exact same foods. They live in different countries, different cultures, and different environments. But researchers have noticed some interesting similarities. Their meals are usually built around simple ingredients. They eat plenty of plant foods. They rely on foods that are familiar rather than trendy. And many of their meals are made from a small number of ingredients used again and again throughout the week. That's the idea behind today's video. We're going to take that simple approach and turn it into a practical grocery list you can actually use. Just a handful of foods that can become multiple breakfasts, lunches, and dinners without making your week complicated. Before we get started, I'd love to know where you're watching from today. Leave your country or city in the comments below. And if you enjoy simple health, nutrition, and longevity content, make sure to subscribe and give this video a quick like. Now let's get into it. Most healthy meal plans fail for one simple reason. They ask you to buy too much food, cook too many recipes, and spend too much time thinking about every meal. But if you look at some of the world's longest-living communities, something interesting appears. People don't eat hundreds of different foods every week. They rely on a surprisingly small collection of familiar ingredients. The same foods show up again and again, prepared in slightly different ways. So today, instead of giving you another complicated meal plan, I'm going to show you a simple Blue Zone-inspired grocery template. Just 10 foods, 1 shopping trip, 6 easy meals, and enough flexibility to get through an entire week without feeling stuck. By the end, you'll have a complete grocery list you can take to the store today. Before we get to the food, it's worth understanding something important. People in places like Okinawa, Sardinia, Ikaria, Nicoya, and Loma Linda don't follow meal plans. Nobody is counting macros. Nobody is obsessing over perfect nutrition. What they do have is repetition. Many families eat the same core foods for years: beans, vegetables, eggs, potatoes, olive oil, simple proteins. The secret isn't variety, the secret is consistency. When healthy foods become familiar foods, healthy eating requires less effort. And that's exactly what we're building today. Not a diet, a repeatable system. Here are the 10 foods: eggs, Greek yogurt, beans or lentils, chicken thighs, sardines or canned tuna, potatoes or sweet potatoes, leafy greens, tomatoes, onions, extra virgin olive oil. That's it. 10 ingredients. No expensive powders, no superfoods, no complicated recipes. Yet these foods provide protein, fiber, healthy fats, vitamins, minerals, and enough flexibility to create multiple meals without getting bored. Now, let's turn them into an entire week of eating. Breakfast 1. Blue Zone. Breakfast skillet. Imagine waking up and cooking a breakfast your grandparents would immediately recognize. Diced potatoes, onions, tomatoes, a little olive oil. Everything slowly softens and develops flavor. Then a couple of eggs go directly into the pan. A handful of greens finishes the dish. It's warm, simple, comforting, and unlike many modern breakfasts, it keeps you satisfied for hours. Breakfast 2. Mediterranean yogurt bowl. The second breakfast goes in a completely different direction. Greek yogurt becomes the foundation. Fresh tomatoes on the side, a drizzle of olive oil, a soft-boiled egg, simple seasonings. This style of breakfast feels very Mediterranean. Cool, fresh, and surprisingly filling despite how light it looks. And that's one thing many long-living cultures understand well. A meal doesn't need to feel heavy to be satisfying. Lunch 1 coastal bowl beans become the star. Warm them with onions and tomatoes. Add sardines or tuna. Finish with olive oil. The result is a lunch packed with protein, fiber, and flavor. This is the kind of meal that would never go viral online, but it's exactly the kind of meal people actually eat year after year. And that's what makes it powerful. Lunch 2, rustic chicken plate roasted potatoes, shredded chicken, greens, olive oil, maybe some beans if you have leftovers. Nothing complicated, but together they create a lunch that feels complete. One thing you'll notice throughout this video is that almost every meal combines plants with a moderate amount of animal protein. That's a pattern found in many blue zone communities. Animal foods are included. They're just not usually the center of every plate. Dinner 1, slow simmer, chicken pot. This may become your favorite meal of the week. Chicken thighs, onions, tomatoes, beans, greens. Everything slowly cooks together. The flavors deepen, the vegetables soften, the broth becomes rich and comforting. It's the kind of dinner that makes the entire house smell amazing. And because it makes several portions, tomorrow's meals become easier too. Dinner 2, Mediterranean evening skillet. For nights when you don't want to cook much, onions and tomatoes go into a skillet. Sardines or tuna join them. An egg or two gets cracked on top. A little olive oil finishes everything. Fast, nutritious, and surprisingly satisfying after a long day. The real goal isn't to copy Okinawa, or Sardinia, or Icaria. The goal is to borrow a few patterns that seem to work. Keep healthy foods visible. Keep meals simple. Cook ingredients that can appear in multiple meals. And remove as much decision-making as possible. Because healthy eating rarely fails from lack of knowledge. Most people already know what healthy foods look like. It fails when everyday life becomes too busy. That's why this 10-food grocery list works. It's simple enough to repeat, flexible enough to adapt, and realistic enough to survive an ordinary week. If you tried this grocery template, which meal would you start with first? Let me know in the comments below. If you haven't subscribed yet, now is a good time to do it. Like the video and share it with someone you care about. Stay healthy.